I remember when I lost my mind. And when you're out there,
London Heathrow Radio, Air China 209 is on final.
but it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? 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 Come on now, who do you think you are? Ha ha ha, bless your soul. You really think you're in control?
London Heathrow Radio, Air China 209 is on final, runway 9 right.
Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And there's no coincidence I've come. And I can die when I'm done.
London Heathrow Radio, November 582 Tango X-ray is 27 nautical miles to the northwest at 3,300 feet, inbound for landing, will loop straight in for runway 9 right.
London Heathrow Radio is using runway 27 right, left traffic.
Baby, I'm crazy. Baby, I'm crazy. Baby, we're crazy. Probably. But baby, I'm crazy. Baby, I'm crazy.
London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 248 is 11 nautical miles to the south at 7,300 feet, requesting transition.
Emirates 210, 1070 at 4, number 2, runway 9 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land. Speedbird 248, transition approved at or above 5,000. Speedbird 2...
Enter straight in runway 9 right, Speedbird 248.
Air China 209, exit runway enable and contact ground, please expedite. FedEx 2904 Heavy, hold short of runway 9 right. Holding short runway 9 right, FedEx 2904 Heavy. Speedbird 248, enter right downwind runway 9 right. American 22 Alpha Alpha Heavy, 1070 at 4, runway 9 right, cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 1,000 feet. FedEx 2904 Heavy, line up and wait runway 9 right.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 9 right, American 22 Alpha Alpha Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Air China 209, inbound on the visual runway 9 right.
Line up and wait runway 9 right, FedEx 2904 Heavy. Air China 209, continue inbound.
Continuing inbound, Air China 209.
Emirates 210, 1070 at 4, number 1, runway 9 left, cleared to land. London Heathrow Tower, November 582 Tango X-ray is 25 nautical miles to the west at 7,000 feet, inbound for landing. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 9 left, Emirates 210.
You're welcome, Turkish 2108.
London Heathrow Tower, Equinox Heathrow is 23 nautical miles to the east at 800 feet, inbound for landing.
November 582 Tango X-ray, 1070 at 4, number 2, runway 9 right, cleared to land. FedEx 2904 Heavy, wind 070 at 4, runway 9 right, cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 1,000 feet. Number 2, clear to land, runway 9 right, November 582 Tango X-ray. American 22 Alpha Alpha Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Cleared for takeoff, runway 9 right, FedEx 2904 Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 2108, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Equinox 22, say intentions.
London Heathrow Tower, Equinox 22 is 25 nautical miles to the east at 1,300 feet, inbound for landing.
Holding short runway 27 right, Turkish 2108.
Equinox 22, enter straight in runway 9 right.
Enter straight in runway 9 right, Equinox 22.
Equinox 22, enter right downwind runway 9 right.
Enter right downwind runway 9 right, Equinox 22.
Link 751, wind 070 at 4, runway 9 right, cleared for immediate takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 5,000 feet. Going around, November 582 Tango X-ray.
Descending to pattern altitude, Speedbird 248.
November 582 Tango X-ray, roger, make left traffic runway 9 right.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 2108, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out.
Air China 209, you're in an active airspace, please contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Roger, November 582 Tango X-ray. Turkish 2108, line up and wait runway 27 right.
London Heathrow Tower, Air China 209, inbound on the visual for touch and go runway 9 right.
Emirates 210.
Number 3, cleared to land, runway 9 right, Speedbird 248.
Speedbird 248, adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead.
Adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead, Speedbird 248.
Equinox 22, roger. Equinox 22, it's going downwind, I'll call your base.
Will call my base, Equinox 22.
Emirates 590 Heavy, enter right downwind runway 9 right. Emirates 590 Heavy, enter straight in runway 9 right.
London Heathrow Tower, November 408 Delta Hotel, ready for departure at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern.
London Heathrow Tower, KLM 464 Delta, inbound on the ILS runway 9 right. Enter straight in runway 9 right, Emirates 590 Heavy.
Turkish 2108, is on right downwind runway 27 right.
November 408 Delta Hotel, cross runway 9 right, please expedite. Emirates 590 Heavy, requesting change to runway 27 left.
London Heathrow Tower, November 408 Delta Hotel, ready for departure at runway 9 right, remaining in the pattern.
Emirates 590 Heavy, Equinox 22, turn base.
Turning base, Equinox 22.
Speedbird 5566, exit runway when able and Speedbird 248, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Speedbird 248.
500. 400. 300. 200.
London Heathrow Tower, Air China 209, inbound on the visual for touch and go runway 9 right.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speedbird 248, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite. Air China 209, extend downwind, or call your base.
You'll call my base, Air China 209.
Speedbird 5566, contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7.
Wilco, Speedbird 248.
Contacting London. Speedbird 248, contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7.
Contacting London Heathrow ground on 121.7, Speedbird 248.
November 408 Delta Hotel, wind 070 at 4, runway 9 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Speedbird 5566, say intentions. Speedbird 5566, taxi to parking, at your... Speedbird 248, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxi to parking, Speedbird 248.
November 408 Delta Hotel, you're on an active airport, please contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7. London Heathrow ground, Speedbird 5566, request taxi to parking. Speedbird 5566, taxi to parking, at your... Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Tundra 7... Speedbird 248, expect progressive taxi instructions.
Roger, Speedbird 248.
Continuing ahead, Speedbird 5566. November 280 Lima, pushback approved. Pushback approved, November 280 Lima.
London Heathrow ground, Hammer 10, ready for pushback, requesting runway 9 right.
Hammer 10, pushback approved, tail to the south.
Pushback approved, tail to the south, Hammer 10.
Hammer 10, pushback approved, tail to the south, expect runway 9 right.
Pushback approved, tail to the south, runway 9 right, Hammer 10.
November 280 Lima, taxi to runway 9 right, contact tower when ready.
Your shadow at night. Hide yourself from the ones who let you. I'll be here when the monsters come to life. Keep me in the dark, 'cause I see who you are. All your broken parts. Just keep me in the dark.
London Heathrow ground, Hammer 10, ready to taxi to runway 9 right.
London Heathrow ground, Blue Angel 298, ready for pushback. Hammer 10, taxi to runway 9 right, contact tower when ready. Blue Angel 298, pushback approved, tail to the south, expect runway 9 right. Hammer 10, runway 9 right, taxi via Zulu, Sierra, Sierra 11, hold short of 9 right 27 left. Pushback approved, tail to the south, run...